Make sure that you are taking good notes and following along in order for you to be able to access this material. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to register to Delta Math. So if you see this blue folder that here says register to Delta Math, we're going to follow the instructions. All of the instructions first before we get started. So number one says we're going to click on the arrow to the left of to open this folder. So this arrow here. Number two is we're going to click on the registration link after we open the arrow, after we click on the arrow. And three, we're going to register to Delta Math with Google, so with your school email and password, right? So we're going to click on that arrow. There we see the registration link. We're going to click on the registration link, just like that. Delta Math opens up with our class registration, right? Period 11, geometry. So we're going to use Google, register with Google. So when you do that, you get an option of which you're going to add your account, or your account is already there. So we're going to use your account, and it loads. There you go. You can see. So this is going to be in blue, right? But you're going to open your assignment just like this. And your assignment will have 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. So the first part says translate figure graphically. So we're going to click on that. So what we're going to do is we're going to translate. We're going to shift this red shape to another spot of the graph. And we're going to do it following these instructions. So to translate means to move. So this actually is saying move the figure, move the shape, 4 units left, 4 left, 3 units down, 3 down. So we're going to move the entire shape, 4 left, 3 down. But the way we do that is we do it a point at a time, right? So this point, I'm going to move it 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Now this point, 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Finally, the third point, 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 down. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Look at that. And we submit our answer there. We hit yes. And look at that. We have translated, moved our red triangle to where the blue triangle is at. Right? Let's try another example here. It says translate the figure 6 units right and 2 units down. So this time we have 4 points. So we're going to go 6 right and 2 down. Okay. So each point is going to go 6 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 down. 1, 2. Oop, sorry. Nope. You remember, you got to do both movements before you click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. And you click. Now, if you made a mistake about where you're going to click, you can go ahead and click it again, and the dot and the point disappears. Right? So 6 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 down. 1, 2. Okay. Now this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. There you go. Now let's say for whatever reason you put the point a little bit off. You put it here instead, right? And you hit submit your answer. Are you sure? Yes. It'll let you know the answer is not correct. Try to find your mistake. You have 1 attempt left, so you have 1 more try. So you're going to go over here, and you're going to say, this point should go up here. There we go. Now I got it. Then you hit, are you sure? Yes. There you go. This time we got it right. Okay. That's the first part. Translate figure graphically. Next, we're going to translate figure by vector. So a vector is an arrow. So what we're going to do is we're going to create arrows here from this point in the middle, this yellow point in the middle, as you can see here. And this one says translate, move the figure, the shape, 2 units left and 1 unit up. So what we do is we go to this middle point here, at the origin, this arrow, and I'm gonna click and hold, and I'm gonna go 2 left and 1 up, and then I'm gonna let go. So you see this? This is the vector. So this vector, I'm gonna move it to every single point of my red figure because I am giving the vector directions. I'm telling the vector each vertices, each point, how to move. Okay. So I am correct. I'm going to hit submit answer. Are you sure? Yes. And look at that. The entire figure moves like I told it to move. Right? One more example. Translate the figure 4 units right and 1 unit up. So again, I'm going to go to my point in the middle, in my origin, 4 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 up, let go. Let's see. 4 right. You see, I went left. I gotta go 4 right, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 up. I let go. I'm gonna take my vector and put it on each of my vertices, each of my points, and just like that. And I am correct. Submit answer. Yes. And look at that. Perfect. That's how you do the second problem, translate figure by vector. Third, identify the translations. Okay. So here, let's see. Determine which translation would map figure E to figure F, E to F, blue to green. So how the heck did E translate to F? How the heck did blue translate to green? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a point. I'm gonna pick this top point here, and the point that is congruent to this top point is this top point. So how did I get from this top point to this top point? Well, the way I did it is I moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So I translate it to the right 6 and down 5. Well, you see this try button? I'm going to try that, see if it works. Okay. And perfect. It worked. Look at that. We are correct. I hit submit answer. Yes. There you go. Let's try one more. Determine the translation that would map figure T to U. So blue to green again. So I'm going to pick this middle point here, vertex, and the one that's congruent on green is this one here. So let's see, to the right, 1, 2, let me zoom in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. So right 4 up. Oh no, not down, up 7. Now I know what you're thinking right now. No, mister, it's 6. Well, let me show you what happens when we accidentally put in the wrong number. We're gonna try it out. Okay, that's good. And then, oh, it was right. I thought it was 6. Okay, perfect. So what would have happened is if you would have put in the wrong number, the figure just wouldn't have landed on top. And then all you have to do is fix it. Okay, are we correct? Yes, there we go. All right. So this is how we do our assignment, right? This assignment. So make sure that you took good notes, rewind if you have to, and I'll see you next time.